So when facing an I-9 audit, employers should take several proactive steps to ensure compliance and minimize potential liabilities. An I-9 audit is conducted by Immigration and Customs Enforcement, HSI, Homeland Security Investigations, to verify that employers are complying with employment eligibility verification requirements. Here's what employers need to know. Proper preparation is key on your I-9s. Employers should conduct regular self-audits of their Form I-9 records to ensure they are complete, accurate, and up to date. This includes verifying that all forms are properly completed, signed, and dated, and that no forms contain discrepancies or missing information. Another point is to make sure that Human Resources is using the current updated form. I've seen many forms that are compliant other than the fact that they were long outdated at the time of hire. Some points about documentation. Always retain the original signed Form I-9s for 3 years from the date of hire, or for 1 year after termination of employment, whichever is later. So in regards to documentation, do you have to keep the supporting documentation? No, you do not, but if copies of supporting documentations are kept, they must be retained for all employees. So you cannot distinguish or differentiate among any of them. You need to have the document retention for all the employees. And I would also suggest consulting with a legal counsel or immigration attorney familiar with the Immigration Reform and Control Act to guide the audit process and ensure compliance. It helps to have someone familiar with the audit process. This can help alleviate fines, mediate disputes, and represent the employer in court if necessary. Some other suggestions are performing a self-audit. Conducting a self-audit allows employers to identify and correct any issues before an official audit. This includes reviewing all Form I-9s for completeness and accuracy and ensuring that any errors are corrected promptly. Another suggestion is to implement regular training programs for employees responsible for handling Form I-9s to ensure they understand compliance requirements and can accurately complete the forms. On responses to an ICE audit, employers have 3 days to produce their I-9 forms. And it's crucial not to provide documents early and to consult with legal counsel before responding to ICE inquiries. Good faith compliance is important. Demonstrating good faith compliance, such as conducting regular internal audits, maintaining accurate records, can mitigate potential penalties and serve as a defense in case of violations. Have a contingency plan as well. Develop contingency plans to address potential staffing shortages resulting from worksite enforcement actions, ensuring business operations can continue smoothly. Employers facing an I-9 audit should be well prepared by conducting regular self-audits, maintaining accurate records, and consulting with legal counsel. Training employees and demonstrating good faith compliance are essential steps to minimize risks and potential penalties. My name is Jason Mills with the Law Office of Jason Mills. Please like and follow for more U.S. immigration-related content.